Just back from the gym. No makeup this morning. It's wash day today for my hair. And I've had so many people ask me, why don't you brush out your hair over the years? The last time I brushed out my hair was for a 70s party many years ago. So I'm going to, just as it's wash day, I'm going to brush out my hair. Not supposed to brush out curly hair when it's dry, but just so I can show you that it doesn't go straight when it's curly like this. Going to be using my Denman brush. God, I'm scared. Scared. So, God, I'm scared. So funny. So funny. Right, I'm just going to go in front of the mirror and see what's going on, and I'll be back. Please excuse the mass construction going on behind me. This is what it looks like when you blow out curly hair. So if your hair looks a little bit like this when you're brushing it, chances are you've got beautiful curly hair. Don't brush it out. Don't brush it out. Looks insane. But also kind of cool. No? There you have it. What my hair looks like when it's brushed out. Hope you enjoyed this mini video. See you next time. Mwah.